There is never enough room in my truck bed for all of my stuff. And the factory cables are great, but not for much. The Gate King tailgate adjuster may just fix all of my problems, even the ones I haven't thought of yet. Gate King has your load in mind with this tailgate adjuster. Designed to replace your truck's stock tailgate cables, you will be able to adjust your tailgate in 8 different angles. This ensures that whatever cargo you may have hanging out of your truck bed will now be secure and give you peace of mind. The Gate King is easy to use. You just engage the latch pin on each side, lift to your desired height. Once you hear the clicking, you'll know that the ratchet and pin have been engaged. The great thing about using the tailgate adjuster is that while it's in the neutral position, they function just like your stock cables. They are made with a chromoly steel and coated to be, well, everything proof, since they have a special coating process. Since the strong steel will be exposed to the elements, simply clean and use a light lubricant when necessary to keep the Gate King strong and working for the life of your truck bed. If you are interested in the Gate King tailgate adjuster or need help with installation, check out the store locator on screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage. Until then, have a blast out there and keep on exploring.